Okay, so wait just a moment because although we've gone over the reseller opportunities with Vidko, I know some of you are wondering, is there a white label option? And the answer? It's a resounding yes. That's right, you now have the chance to actually white label Vidko, brand it as your own, and sell it as if you built it from scratch. Your brand, name it, brand it, and make it yours. Your business. Set your own pricing, create unlimited accounts, and keep 100% of the profits. Your control. No restrictions on how or where you sell it. Look, software is the most profitable business model in the world. Just look at the biggest companies out there. You create it once, and you could sell unlimited copies with almost zero additional cost. The best part? We already built that for you. Vidko is the high-quality, tested, and in-demand AI video platform, and now you could take full ownership. This is what you'll get when you purchase Vidko White Label License today. One-click white labeling. Instantly, it transforms Vidko into your own software product with just one click. Unlimited white labels. Rebrand as many times as you want for different audiences. Full source code access. Unlike typical white label offers, we're giving you the entire source code so you can modify, expand, or even add new features. Built-in updates. You'll get every new feature we release, keeping your software up to date without extra work. 100% profit. No revenue sharing. Sell at any price you want. One-time fees, recurring memberships, high-ticket sales. It's up to you. We even have a done-for-you option you'll see upon checkout. AI video demands top dollar, and you'll hold the keys to your very own AI video creation app that you actually own with your own brand to sell on your website, social media, email lists, and marketplaces, you name it. This is the only place that will be offering Vidko, so you'll have zero competition from us. And do you want to know the best part? We handle the hard part for you. That's support. You get full control over your user base, licenses, and pricing. But when it comes to support, we've got your back. 24/6 chat and ticket support. We'll handle all customer inquiries for you. It includes a simple-to-use admin panel for easy management of user access, licenses, and upgrades. You even get continuous updates. Every improvement we make, you get to roll out to your customers. That means the latest AI models that are added, you'll be able to offer too. So your app is always relevant. All right, so here's the catch. This is a special launch-only offer. After this launch, Vidko, the white label option, will be gone. Now, if you're seeing this, it means you still have time, but not much time. And I'm really serious about this, by the way. We are not doing white label after the launch. If you've ever wanted to own a software business with zero development costs and unlimited profit potential, this is it. Click the button below and claim your Vidko white label license right now. Once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. This is your one chance to grab full ownership of one of the hottest AI video platforms. Don't wait, click below and secure your white label rights before it's too late.